Going out scouting right now. It's about 3:30, probably about 40 degrees, but it's been cold all day. It's supposed to get down to the 20s tonight. So hoping to find some birds for tomorrow morning. Trevor went out this morning. He killed a mallard and a drake widgeon, but he said that there was some sheet ice, but there's a lot of birds around. So I'm hoping we can find some for tomorrow. Last weekend I didn't film at all. We had one good hunt. We killed a bunch of widgeon and a pintail. Another hunt we killed some geese and a snow goose, and then another hunt we just shot just a bunch of geese. We limited out before 8, and then we got a bunch of cool goose videos, so I'll throw them in here. It's not 40 degrees out, it is freezing out, so I'm gonna put my jacket on real quick. Well, here's one of the holes we sometimes hunt. As you can tell, there's no water in it, so that sucks. Guess we have to find a plan B now. Huh. Alright, well I just went and checked out a couple more spots and I didn't see a single duck. This is ridiculous. I don't even know what to say. This is ridiculous. We got Wesley here. Let's go to his first deer hunt ever. How are you feeling?
I'm fired up.
You look like you know what you're doing.
I'm so excited to sit still for 8 hours.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Alright, it is opening day here in Western New York. We are out here up in the tree. Got here about an hour before shooting light, got all set up in the tree. Have not seen anything yet deer-wise. Saw an owl. Should be hopefully a good day. We've seen a lot of deer movement recently on the cameras. I think we're gonna be in it for the long haul today. Sitting in an all-day sit, so Joe Rogan once said, if you want to know what's in the basement, you gotta go downstairs, so we're going downstairs. Just saw the first deer of the morning. Nice little spike, just kind of came up over the left, working up the hill. I'm just kind of moseying around. So hopefully they're moving around now. There's been a lot of shooting going on, so I don't know. I guess we just hope for the best. It's about 7:30, so still early. Still early. I'm already cold though, so it's not good. This might get a little athletic here. the side of the hill over here. But I only got a little glimpse of it, a look of it through the thick stuff, so. Let's see if it popped out anyway. Alright, things are starting to heat up a little bit. So, I ended up seeing that deer that was way off in the distance. It ended up being a doe. So she came off the hill, and then I just had a pretty tall spike come over my left shoulder. Come trotting down the hill. Definitely different than the one we saw this morning. The one we saw this morning was just like a little guy. But this one probably had a pretty good time. So, it's just a matter of time before a big one does that. We can get on them. Well, I almost thought that was it right there. I had a bunch of does just blowing behind me, about 100 yards up on the top of this hill here. And I couldn't hear them because they're in the thick pines, but they're just blowing. My wind's not going that way, so I was like, oh, they shouldn't be smelling me or whatever. And then I finally got a glimpse at one, and there's probably like 6 does up there, and they're just blowing. I was like, what the heck's going on? And they all start to tear off, and there's like a decent buck chasing them. But I didn't get a great beat on it. I think it's a pretty nice 8-point, but I probably would have let it walk anyways. But yeah, things are starting to heat up. Let's see if I can just. Those deer were way up on the ridge up here. That's all thick pines over back in here. They're way up on that ridge right there. Alright, well, it's been a good probably hour since I've seen any deer. My toes are really cold. And it's like super quiet out. But we'll eat this apple and go from there. Stay tuned. It's gonna get good. All we need is one to walk out. Just one. It's gonna happen. I can feel it. It's gonna happen. Alright, well, we just got our first little bit of action here. It's about noon, and Spike just chased those does right up the hill. Pretty much right in front of me. It's a little Spike just chased them right up, basically underneath